Hey look everybody, it's Singing Sam Riverfish. Mine's broken and I've had it before Sam Sill ever got his. So suck on that, I've had this since January. But I need to fix it because stuff needs to be fixed on it, like the mouth, the head, and the tail. Let's go play it because I'm bored, I have nothing better to do. Let's go play it for Sam Sill, aka Lake WI-44, whatever you want to call him. Plug him in. There's my fish. I got Sam. Sam, I got Sam. Here he is. Okay, everyone knows what that song is. Let's have to stand him up. Alright, next song. Here's the next song. His mouth doesn't fully close. Alright, that's it for this fish. And the reason I'm making a video on Mr. Fishy, that's named as Sam, by the way, it's because he's broken, and Lake WI-44 got one somehow, and somehow I didn't know about it until a week after he got it. So, yeah, I got this since January, although this summer screwed me over because 2 of these popped up on eBay. So I got screwed. So now I'm forced to make a video of this fish. I will make an update once I fix it. Goodbye.